Important shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can speed up your workflow in visTABLE. You can find all shortcuts via Google search when searching for visTABLE shortcuts. For now, let us walk you through the most essential ones. The only key you really need to remember is the Control button for multiple selection. Hold the Control key and you can select or deselect multiple objects. But with the Control button, you can also temporarily disable object snapping when moving items for precise placement. This is often very useful. Need constrained movement? Shift locks objects to a single axis during dragging. For nudging selections, use the arrow keys. Each press moves objects 1 cm. Add Shift for 10 cm jumps or Control for full 100 cm adjustments. Hold Shift while scaling to maintain proportions perfectly, and Control S saves your progress. It rarely happens, but when panning without a mouse wheel is necessary. Press Alt-GR to switch on or off the pan mode. In the bottom right, you can see when this function is activated. Remember, all shortcuts are listed in our help documentation. Start with these fundamentals and you'll be navigating layouts in a more efficient manner.